It's feet kills.
Hi ladies, so we're starting out with my Black Radiance finishing powder, and I'm just putting that in my crease, and that color is Golden Honey. Next I'm going in underneath my brow bone with a pretty golden color, and it's from an e.l.f. palette that I have.
She want another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me.
Now I'm using these next two colors from this palette. This palette doesn't have a name. I actually purchased this from dresslink.com. But I'm just using those two brownish, goldenish colors as another layer to my transition in my crease.
Let's have a good time.
Now I'm using my NP Set Red Carpet Set palette, and before I apply my eyeshadow, I'm using a NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk for my base. And I'm going to go in with that champagne shimmery color on my lid area from the NP Set. I'm going to use that color from the palette, and I'm going to just place that on my lid. Now I'm using that really pretty blue denim color, and I'm going to put that on the outer corner of my eye.
Me na pillow one, say she give me feel one. Say let me the pillow one, say she give me feel more one. Mother one, say she give me for me your say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place.
For foundation, I'm using my Maybelline Matte and Poreless Fit Me foundation, and I'll put the color that I use, I'll put that in the description bar below, you guys, because I don't have it in front of me and I forgot.
Girl, you feel up my pants. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's feet kills.
But we finna have a good time, you know. And bomb like them are watching. They're pretty up on it. Bad man, what you say?
So for highlighting, I use these three products right here. The first one that I'm going to use is by Nabi. It's an all-in-one concealer, and I use the color Honey. And then the second color that I'm going to go in with is by Santee, and it's the 2-in-1 concealer in Golden Bronze. And then the last thing that I'm going to use to add even more lightness and brightness to the concealer is by LA Pro Conceal, and it's actually the yellow corrector. So I just put a few dabs of that over the top of the actual concealer that I'm using, and that just brightens up the whole area. Now I'm going in with my Banana Dreams finishing powder, and I'm just using that to set my under eye concealer and everywhere where I highlighted it. And I actually love this, love this setting powder. It's very smooth, it doesn't leave a chalky finish, and I don't like a whole lot of highlight, and this is just the perfect finishing powder right here. And I ordered this from Amazon. Now I'm using my Mary Kay black gel eyeliner, and I only use a little bit underneath on my waterline actually, because I don't like a really dark eye look. I just don't like the raccoon eyes. I just sister can't do it. And so I'm going to go in with my smudge brush, and I'm just going to smudge out that line and just make it look a little bit more natural and just a little bit more. So here I'm using the dark chocolate black radiance finishing powder. I'm just going to put that on the bridge of my nose, and I just do that just because it just looks really nice. I don't do it all the time, but when I'm really going out for a look, I like to do that for my photos because it just looks so natural and so delicious.